Namaskar. You are watching Daily Prime Info. Tonight, we turn to a crisis unfolding on the high seas, one that could directly impact your fuel prices, your grocery bills, and the global economy. The world's most critical oil choke point, the Strait of Hormuz, is facing unprecedented disruption. Nearly 250 ships are currently stuck in West Asian waters. Tankers, container vessels, LNG carriers, all stranded in what is considered the most important shipping corridor on Earth. The Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea. And through this narrow stretch of water, barely 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, passes nearly 20% of the world's oil supply. Let that sink in. 1/5 of global oil flows through this single maritime artery. Any disruption here does not remain regional. It becomes global. The strait lies between Iran to the north and Oman and the United Arab Emirates to the south. It is the gateway for all exports from Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, and Qatar. Now imagine this gateway effectively shutting down. According to maritime tracking data, hundreds of vessels are either halted, rerouted, or waiting for security clearance. Insurance premiums for ships passing through the region have surged. Freight rates are climbing. And global supply chains are once again under stress. This is not just about oil. It is about food shipments, electronics, automobiles, fertilizers, and everyday consumer goods. Nearly 90% of global trade moves by sea. If shipping slows down here, the ripple effects travel far beyond West Asia. Energy markets are already reacting. Oil prices are showing volatility. Natural gas shipments are under scrutiny. Stock markets across Asia and Europe are watching developments closely. For countries like India, which import a significant portion of their crude oil from the Gulf region, this crisis carries direct implications. Higher crude prices mean higher fuel costs. Higher fuel costs mean higher transportation costs. And that eventually translates into inflation. The geopolitical backdrop makes the situation even more fragile. Tensions in the region have escalated following military confrontations and threats to maritime security. Naval forces have increased patrols. Shipping companies are reassessing risk. The big question tonight: will this remain a temporary disruption, or are we witnessing the beginning of a prolonged maritime standoff? If the strait remains blocked or restricted, alternative routes are limited and expensive. Pipelines cannot fully compensate for maritime volumes. And rerouting ships around Africa adds weeks to delivery timelines. History tells us that even the threat of disruption in the Strait of Hormuz is enough to shake global markets. An actual prolonged shutdown could trigger a sharp spike in oil prices, disrupt supply chains, and strain fragile economies. For now, diplomatic channels are active. Global powers are urging restraint. Energy importing nations are monitoring reserves. But the situation remains tense. This narrow stretch of water, often overlooked on the world map, has once again become the focal point of global attention. Because what happens in the Strait of Hormuz does not stay in the Strait of Hormuz. It reaches your petrol pump. It reaches your kitchen. It reaches your wallet. We will continue to track this developing story closely. Stay with Daily Prime Info for more updates.